My name is Derek Stewart. I was a cancer patient 20 years ago. I got actively involved in changing health services and helping to improve health services, and then moved gently over into research, because research is fundamentally about asking questions and finding answers. Today we brought together a group of people who have experience of using health services, mainly patients but some carers, and what we wanted from them was to just ask their opinions and get their views on what they thought about research, and especially to look at respect and what we mean by this term. Is it just about calling somebody by their proper name, or is it more fundamental than that?
Respect for people taking part in research means that nobody becomes a number, and none of us is treated as though we have something to be blamed for or something to be praised for, because I think it should be a normal thing. It should perhaps be something you engender in your family, in your children, in your grandchildren, that taking part in research is a normal part of a normal life. Because if we don't research, all of us, all the way along the continuum, we won't get the answers we want.
Respect for people taking part in research is all about the openness and transparency. I need to know what you expect of me and what I can expect from you.
I think the language that's used in research and the way that it's discussed and consent's obtained, if they don't use the right language, then the person on the trial isn't going to understand what they're involved in, and that could mean that they will not get involved because they don't understand it. It can also lead to them dropping out because they don't feel involved.
It's a two-way thing, really. I think that the researchers need to listen to patients. Also, they shouldn't talk down to them. It's very easy. They have all the information. The patient doesn't. They are taking part because, on the whole, people want to help. They've got a disease. They sometimes know that it isn't going to help them, but perhaps it'll help their family and their friends.
I think the days when patients thought of research, as being guinea pigs or something, has come away. That's come away tremendously, and now people want to know about their health. They want to know what's going to happen to them. They want information, and research is the way forward.
Patients need to have hope. I think that's really important. And I think a lot of people, through research, they feel that something's being done, they're being listened to, and it's to help, it's for patient benefit.
I believe research should be the patient's choice and not a clinician making that decision for me. A clinician should be there to inform me and give me all the information that I need for me to be able to make that informed decision as to whether to take part or not.
I would like to be treated as the equal, which I am, of all of the people who are doing the research. I would like them to respect who I am, my fears and doubts, why I would even bother to do research. Yeah, I just want to be treated like a working, thinking person.
Respect for me is about a culture which is mutually exchanging information. It's not about researchers seeing patients as just subjects, but as equals in this endeavour to try and find answers for the future. So respect is about that, being treated as a human being, being treated as an individual, being given the information you require to make an informed choice. The workshop we ran today, I think was the first time we've ever brought patients in to look and discuss around the issue of respect and ethics and that, how we treat people. And I think what I learned today was that you can never underestimate the knowledge and experience that people bring to the table. And that knowledge comes from other aspects in their life and other experiences. It's not just a narrow window of being a patient, but it's them as an individual. And I think what didn't surprise me, but what reinforced the view, was that people are perfectly capable of discussing highly complex topics in a way in which, they can make sense and go away and communicate that to others.